Hey everyone, how's it going? Azren the Language Nerd here. I hope you are doing very, very well. Welcome to another episode of Super Easy English. In today's episode, we are going to talk about English greetings. In other words, we are going to talk about different ways to say hello in English. Often in English classes and English textbooks and things like that, you will learn many ways to say hello, you will learn many greetings, but there are some greetings that we don't use very often. Or there are some greetings that we use, but only in certain situations. And so in today's video, I'm going to talk about some of these greetings and explain when to use each greeting so that you know how it works. If you have any questions about greetings, write them in the comments and I will answer. With that aside, let's start. One of the first greetings that people often learn is the word hello. Hello is very common. We absolutely use the word hello. However, the word hello, at least for me, feels a little bit more formal. For example, with my friends, I probably would not use the word hello. If I did use the word hello, I would need to say it with a big smile and a very happy tone of voice. Because, for many people, not everybody, but many people feel that hello is a little bit more formal. Another time we will use the word hello all the time, very frequently, is when we answer the phone. If you call me and my phone goes bring, 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 my phone is ringing, I will answer and I will say, hello? That is extremely common. Almost everybody does that. Another time we use the word hello very often is if we walk into a building or an office or a house or into somewhere where it looks empty, but we don't know if somebody is there. For example, right now I am in Taiwan. I am living with a family. When I walk into the apartment, sometimes I don't know if anybody is here. The lights are off, I look, it's very quiet. So I will say, if it was in English, I would say, hello? Hello? I'm trying to see if anybody says hello, to see if somebody is at the house. Another common way that people say hello, another common greeting, is the word hi. Hi is a great word. Hi can be used with your friends. Hi can be used in casual situations, in formal situations, in professional situations. Hi can be used in the morning, in the afternoon. It can be used almost any time. Hi is a fantastic word. It is a very, very, very good word, and you can use it almost any time you want to. Another way that we say hello is the word hey. If you noticed in my videos, in these videos on easy languages, I almost always start with the word hey. Hey is another word to say hi or hello. One thing that's important to know about the word hey is it is a little bit more informal. It is a little bit more casual. Something you might use with your friends. If you are in a situation where you want to be polite or very professional, maybe hey is not the best greeting or the best word to use. Usually after you have said hello or hi or good afternoon, hey, usually you will say, how are you? How are you? This is a very common greeting, a very common question that we use. And many, many, many people use it. Another way that we can say, how are you, is how's it going? I find how's it going is often not taught. People often don't learn this expression in classrooms or with teachers or in textbooks. Depending on what country you are in, depending on who your teacher is, it depends. How's it going is a little bit more informal as well. So maybe if you are in a professional situation, in a very formal, if you want to be more polite or more formal, maybe how's it going is not the best expression to use. Well everyone, thank you for watching this video. If you have other questions about greetings in English, hello, hi, how are you, things like that, write them in the comments, and if there are lots of questions, maybe what I will do is I will take like all the questions you have and make a part 2, a second video about this, if there are many questions about this topic. Well everyone, thank you again for watching, I appreciate it, and we will talk next time. Bye for now, see you. Horror movies have lots of scary things. They have ghosts, they have monsters, they have ghosts and monsters, and they have demons, and big things with big teeth and big ears, and very, very scary things, and I do not like them at all.